Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to optimize images color with AI Image Enhancer. So, let us begin. Step 1. Launch your preferred web browser and type ImgLarger.com into the browser's address bar. Step 2. If you haven't already logged into your AI Image Enlarger account to unlock its powerful features. Step 3. Scroll down to reveal the diverse capabilities of AI Image Enlarger. Choose AI Image Enhancer to proceed. Step 4. Click Upload Images to select a photo for processing. You can also directly drag and drop image files from your computer. Step 5. Initiate the transformation. Tap Start and await the magic. Choose between Natural AI or HDR enhancement. Use the eye icon to witness the transformation. Then, download your enhanced image. With AI Image Enlarger, where innovation converges with creativity through the enhancement of artificial intelligence. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.